Wait, if your lasagna ends up soggy or bland, you're probably making one mistake, and it's not what you think. I'll show you the creamy secret weapon that turns basic lasagna into a total showstopper. Stay till the end, it's cheesy madness. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. Here's what you'll need: lasagna noodles, ricotta, shredded mozzarella, butter, garlic, and of course, Havarti cheese. Yep, that's the twist. It's smooth, creamy, and melts like a dream. But don't run off yet. The trick's in how you use it. Start by melting butter and garlic to build your white bechamel. Layer the pasta with the ricotta, Havarti blend, and sauce. Every bite should be creamy, but structured. Here's the key: don't skip this next step before baking. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. Here's a bonus chef's tip: always chill your lasagna for 15 minutes before slicing. Why? It firms up the layers and keeps that perfect, photo-worthy cross-section. But don't worry, it'll still be piping hot and gooey. All right, here's the creamy trick I promised. Mix heavy cream into the ricotta Havarti layer before baking. That one move makes it super silky, extra melty, and totally restaurant level. Now that you've seen the magic, grab the full step-by-step recipe and download my 20 favorite lasagna recipes totally free. From pesto to spicy sausage, they're all drool-worthy. Links in the description and pinned comment.